Hey, Darian. That's Kayla. That's my best friend. We up and talking, bro. Let's wait till people go. I don't want to say nothing loud and bad, so. Well, she's off. Watch her, she's passed. Her door. Cool. Anyway, I ain't got nothing. What you doing? The video's about me. They are. Ooh, yeah. Darian. My name is Darian, yeah, all of that. So, oh my god, girl, guess what? Today we was in room 21. We was in room 21. That was stupid, but anyway, we was in room 21. We wanted to go to room 21, but we didn't. You know, it's so bad because we did. I mean, like, come on. What you laughing at? Because I see that funny. Something I see funny is your face, right, girl? And my hair. You see, because I was trying to act like this girl. Boy, I wish I had her hair. So if your hair was like one side or something. Well, her hair is so cute. You should comment Kayla's default. Yeah. Okay, bye.